Hello everyone, I'm Jing. The topic of our study is deep learning and particle filter based aortic dissection vessel tree segmentation. Here's the contents of this video. First is the overview. The aorta is the main artery of the human body, which plays a key role in supplying the whole body with blood. Diseases that affect the aorta without treatment can result almost certainly in death. The aortic dissection is one aortic disease that splits the aorta and forms two blood flow channels. The goal of our work is segmenting aorta and branches from original CT and CTA images to help the clinical treatment. Our proposed method is a combination of deep learning algorithms and tracking algorithms. The first part is this aorta segmentation. We applied a fully convolutional network to segment the aorta from original images. Our deep learning model is based on the VNet structure. It's an end-to-end model with deep residual learning and use the dice loss function. We use three basic data augmentation methods to enlarge our datasets. In addition, one special method called the aortic dissection augmentation was also applied. We use the curved space to cut through the aorta and generate the fake aortic wall. We use this method to generate fake aortic dissection images for the training. Same is the aortic branches segmentation. We used particle filter algorithm to segment the aorta with branches based on the original images and segmented aorta. Firstly, a Gaussian value distribution is generated based on the segmented aorta. A contour point is selected on the aorta and a cube space is generated. Thousands of particles are randomly set in that space. Each can represent one point in the original image. The particles with higher value in the distribution are more likely to be on aorta and branches, so in the resample step, more particles will be set around them. The resample step will be continued until all particles are on aorta, and then next point is selected for the next iteration. Here's the process for aortic branches segmentation from the start of first contour point, last iteration of first contour point to 200 contour points and the entire aorta. Same the evaluation part. For both datasets, we have 24 original images with 40 augmented images for training, 8 original images for validation, and 8 for testing. Here's the optimized hyperparameter for CT datasets of deep learning part, which got 0.255% test error. Here's the original image and the segmentation result for examples. Here's the evaluation of CTA dataset. We got better test error than CTA data. Same is the evaluation of particle filter part. It's relatively harder because we have no ground truth for branches, so we have two ways for the evaluation. First, the segmented branches are manually identified. Second, the segmentation results are used as masks to compute their actual values in original images. Here's an example of unclearly and clearly visible segmentation result. Here is a comparison of CTA and CT datasets for how many branches are clearly visible after the particle filter method. We can see that CTA images perform better than CT ones. And here are the comparison of actual value ranges of CT and CTA images before and after the particle filter. Okay, and at last a summary. In this research, we create a new process for 3D aorta with branches segmentation based on deep learning algorithm and particle filter algorithm. For future works, both the deep learning and particle filter methods can be optimized, while this method can be also applied to more segmentation tasks, such as aortas with real aortic dissection and other vessels in human bodies. Thank you for your listening.